first step in all repairs is stain removal or cleaning. In the case of these two, they required stain removal. Before that one little chip is fixed. It's a missing piece. We do not have it, but that's not a problem. Stain removal. Spatterware Tulip Red has a chip there and here, and no other repair except for stain removal. It did not come with its lid, so we will find a white ironstone lid that matches it. It's a pretty common sugar bowl, and then repaint the lid to match the red spatterware. But the first step is stain removal. Our stain removal process will remove the old goopy, oily stains that have been accumulated over the years. These two are about halfway through the process, and the stain is leaking out of normally right along the crazed lines. This won't take long to clean these two, maybe 2 weeks. The stains have now been removed from this Blue Rim Old Sleepy Eye picture. And I'm using molding techniques to replace that chip. I really like molding. I get more of an exact form than when using milliput, but there's many times that milliput has to be used. I use molding for many things. Completely rebuilding another handle. Handles are one of the things that can be done with the molding techniques. We'll talk more about molding. This is a good example of stain removal. These two pieces have had all their stain removed, and we proceeded with the molding and the milliput. This one has not. It has no chips, cracks, breaks, or repairs. It just has staining. It won't take long to fix that. These had little chips. Folks, this was a waste bowl. Long ago, it has polychrome painting, and it's called a waste bowl. Years ago, it was set in the middle of the dining room table, and the family would drop their chicken bones in here after they eat them. It's for bones. It's called a waste bowl. It was stained up as much as that one from use and all. And now it has all the stain out of it, and it's a pretty piece again. The white primer has been sprayed on using rubber latex as a masking agent. And this process, the stain removal, is very important before any repair. Now this little guy doesn't need any repair. It just needs the stain taken out of it. This little Staffordshire gravy dish that has some really neat stuff on it. It was stained, and now the stain's all been taken out. And it has that light blue glaze that puddles a bit. And I'm pretty sure this is called creamware. A mold was made from the other side, and that chip replaced. I haven't sanded it. There'll be light sanding on it. It's a fella in a, I don't know what he's doing. He's got a, I don't know what he's doing. But it's cool. And it was no trouble replacing that chip, and no trouble taking the stain out. Sorry folks, I meant pearlware, not creamware. We repaired a lot of these types of pearlware in Staffordshire transferware. This is a vintage biscuit jar. It's in the Adam's Rose pattern. And the only problems is that it's stained, and it has the tail of one of these little birds missing. Right there. That's no problem. I will make a mold of that little tail and replace that. Very stained up from age and use. It's called a biscuit jar. No other repair needed. This will look beautiful when it's restored. And it won't be a lot of trouble. This cleaned up nice. It's a cream colored pottery. With the tail of that bird missing. And this one cleaned up nice. The only repair on this one is those two chips. And I like to use this one as an example to show you some really nice molding for both of those chips. It has no lid. It never had a lid. I mean, as long as we've had it. But still be good for something like wooden utensils or something. It's a neat piece of red spatterware.